to say. But I know my last video was this, but I haven't done one video in 3 weeks, and this is all I can think of. But I just wanted to get an announcement that I'm gonna be making a music channel. It's called Fallen Angels. I know you guys might know it's a band already. I don't freaking care, but it was 1960s, so I don't freaking care. Well, I knew that I didn't know that it was a band before I named it, and our first one was Fallen Angels, and I'm gonna be making it each channel in January, so make sure you guys go check that out. So, anyways, let's get into this.
Damn, son.
Wait, I'm gonna go to this MLG shop. I can get a lot of things. I'm not get the biggest thing. Oh, this is good face.
Damn, son. Where'd you find this? Damn, son.
Oh my god.
Damn, son.
This game is so messed up. My friend Ethan related it because he was like, freaking so loud.
Damn, son.
You cannot concentrate. It's Snoop Dogg. I think I might get that later. You know what? Let's just download the old version. You know what? I'll find my into this video. I'm not gonna end it, but I will go back into it. I thought I can download it.
No one has ever. son.
Dang it! You know what? I'm playing this. I'm actually playing this. You know what? How do you fucking get out of this?
Dwarfs.
Okay, let's get out of this.
Damn, son.
It's so laggy because like this game is like
Damn,
freaking.
son. Shots fired.
You know what? I'm just gonna end this video right here. I know. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next one. Oh yeah, and make sure to check out Full Angels on January 17th. So that is what I'll be uploading it. So, bye bye.